Alright guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Trijicon MRO from Sportsman's Warehouse. So this is actually the HD version. Coming one-handed as usual. So it's not the easiest thing in the world, but make it work. There's that. Get the box out of the way. So here we have the box. Nice hard case it comes in. Trijicon MRO HD. Like I said, really nice case. So it's even got this, looks like an interesting sort of latch on. You can't just open it, you have to actually depress this. There you go. And there we are. You have your windage and elevation knobs. These are your different settings for brightness up top. Got a standard basic mount, nothing too fancy on the bottom there. Really nice weight to it. It's all metal construction for the housing, obviously not the lens. It's etched in right here, Trijicon MRO. Gonna need an Allen key to undo these screws right here. So yeah, that's the optic itself. I mean, pretty straightforward. And then, okay, nothing up top under that piece of foam. And at the bottom one. All right, let's just take both of them out. Here's all your literature, and the Allen key I was just saying we needed. So yeah, looks like a cleaning cloth in there, standard manual, probably an ad in there showing you some other products that they sell. A sticker. So yeah, that's everything you get. Zeroing instructions are probably in here for your zeroing procedure and whatnot. And that stuff says nicely sits on the bottom. And the foam inserts go in there. This top one was being finicky. So yeah, they give you a really nice case to store it in. I have heard that foam retains moisture, so I don't know if you would be worried about that or not. I mean, in all honesty, these things are pretty bulletproof, no pun intended. So it'll probably be fine, even if you do get some moisture built up in the foam here. But yeah, other than that, that is my new Trijicon MRO. Like I said, picked it up at Sportsman's during Black Friday. So yeah, in a follow-up video, I'll be doing a shooting review most likely with this attached. So thanks for watching, guys.